Well, my friends, this is what we have here. This is a Sony CDP-338ESD. As far as spinning discs, this is the best player I have ever seen. You know, it got features galore, but the way it works is just crazy. It has a KSS 151A magnetic drive mechanism, but I've seen many of those in you know, in Valiers or Krells, and it's just nothing like this. Now we are listening to track 11, but if you press track 1, instant playback. 10, 15. You know, it just doesn't matter what you throw at it from one end to another, and it just plays. Trust me, not many players do that. I've done a bit of adjusting just because the seller said that it wasn't quite right, but I could not fault it at all. And it features galore. It has. For starters, it has adjustable output, which also adjusts the headphones, and of course it has a fixed output as well. Beautiful remote control, and of course you can see now you can adjust the volume, and the headphone pot just turns nicely, showing you that. For those late evening listening sessions, you can turn off display, which I think it's a very, very nice feature. Well, it has a couple of nice Burr Brown's PCM 58 DACs, you know, here and there, but you can use it as a transport. There you can turn the digital output on and off, and what's the quality? Well, almost as good as any. I mean, I have an Accuface transport that has a better square wave, but it used to cost £12,700 at the end of the 80s, which was 2/3 of a average car. Well, this one has just slight overshoots here and there, but the wave is basically square compared to most of others, which sort of look like sawtooth. So I'm really impressed with this. This is, in my book, as good as it can, you know, as good as it comes as far as spinning discs and playing. And I cannot tell you anything about sound quality because I've only listened to it in the workshop here. I'm going to take it to my system, but this is absolutely great. And you know, it has a number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 regulators, so it's got as many as any. Great quality of finish and engineering. You know, there's beautiful silk screening. Every component is named, every test point is there. It tells you all the voltages are there. What Sony used to do is those rails, each one is 12.5, -12, -5. It's a beautiful player. I don't know if you well, Lampizator raves about it, and now I know why. You know, for that kind of money, it is just an incredible player. And well, let me do a couple of things. What I'm do? Stop. Smooth draw. Now you say that was press this. What about a CDR? And what about a scratch CDR? I don't know whether you can see it, but this is the most scratched CDR I have. And it just doesn't matter to this player what it is. You know, it plays them just as fast, and you go track 3, beautiful, track 7, track 9. It just has no hesitation or anything. You go and throw at it a 90-minute CDR, same thing. You know, 84 minutes, you go straight to track 6. Okay, and it has other features I forgot to tell you about. You can have your winding fast. Look at that. And back. But you can have it slow. Just slow advance, forward, backwards. And this is there a time? I'm sure there's a time here somewhere. Adjustment time. So it's 10 minutes till the end. 84. So we are now playing at the end of the red book. That's 74 minutes. And of course it just goes like crazy to the end, to the 84th minute. As you see, it's just, I have never seen a player handle any CD or CDR with such ease. This is just incredible. So we are now 85th minute. Okay, and we'll do the same thing backwards. You know, it's just no difference to it where it is and what it does. Naturally it plays, I don't want to bore you with tones, it naturally plays them, no problem at all. Yeah, as I said, and draws nice and smooth, excellent condition, you know, just, it's not as new, there is like very faint scratches here and there, you know, but it is probably the best condition I've seen of anything. You know, I don't even know if I'm going to sell it. Sorry about this raving, incoherent raving, but this is how excited I am about it. I don't know if I'm going to even sell it or not. Well, thank you very much, and you know, feast your eyes. Bye.